Hi everybody, and welcome to CPW's instructional video on how to take care of your orthodontic appliances. In this video, you're going to learn how to properly clean them as well as what solutions to use so that we can maintain the safety and the longevity of your orthodontic appliance. So whether you currently wear a night guard or clear aligners like Invisalign or have a retainer at home, we like to recommend using a solution called Retainer Bright. This product is fabulous because it is safe for your retainers. And the reason why we also like it is because it actually cleans a lot of different types of devices. So double check your products and make sure that the clear aligners actually can tolerate the solution that you're using. So what you're going to do is drop a tablet of Retainer Bright into some warm water. You'll know that the solution is ready to go once it has turned blue and it's fizzing at the top. So you can go ahead and take your night guard and drop it on in, as well as your clear aligners or retainers, and just drop them on in. And you'll start to see at the bottom that there are bubbles, and that is actually the cleaning process. This whole cleaning process actually takes about 15 to 20 minutes or so. It's going to start off as a dark blue solution, and then it is going to gradually fade to a more clear, transparent color. Once the solution is completely clear and transparent, it's actually done, and you can take your retainers out of the solution. So once they're finished, you grab your retainers and rinse them underneath just some cold water. I like to rinse my retainers once a day under cold water. It'll help diminish those bad breath bacteria. So do the same for your night guard as well. This will also help prevent any saliva mineral buildup that may occur on your devices. Now, an old-fashioned way to clean your retainers and your night guards is to actually just brush them with a normal toothbrush, and this is clear soap that we're using, so soap and water and a toothbrush. I'm not using toothpaste and I'm not using any colored soap, just because those two things can actually discolor your devices. So be very mindful with what you're using when you actually are cleaning them. Always use a soft toothbrush. Don't brush too vigorously, but just enough to get into all the nooks and crannies and clean everything off. So I use a separate toothbrush for this since it solely has soap on it. And once it's clean, you can put them in the case to air dry. And that completes our instructional video. Hope you had a good time, and we'll see you soon.